500 by 500 mm die-cast aluminum material can be used for indoor and outdoor cabinet. It has good quality and lightweight, high strength, durability, great heat dissipation, and high universality. It can be processed according to module drawing and used for outdoor and indoor full-color LED display. It is through salt and fog testing for 48 hours. Aluminum die casting is the best choice for renting screens. We have more than 10 years of production experience. There is no mistake in choosing us.